back to my channel. I'm Karina Michelle, and today I thought that I would do another Grove haul. I order from Grove every month, so let's see what I ordered for this month. Fill with paper. Okay, I'm gonna put the box down like this. Okay. And then they wrote a little message. It says, "Thank you, Karina." I thought that was sweet. All right, this month, since it's summertime and mosquitoes are so bad near me, I wanted to try the mosquito repellent incense. So, these are 12 mosquito repellent incense sticks, deep-free, plant-based, rosemary, peppermint, citronella, lemongrass, and cedarwood. Let's see what these kind of look like. Okay, they smell really good. So thought I'd try those. I think I had tried these before and they worked. So that's why I got some more. So I just kind of put them in the ground a little bit, or in a, I think I had a candle last time and I just stuck it in the citronella candle. So thought I'd try these again. Anything with mosquito repellent is great. Also, I got some more cleaning vinegar wipes. I love these. And this is the bright lemon. So these are like the Clorox wipes, but they're vinegar based. I also got the Dr. Bronner's Peppermint All-One toothpaste. My husband likes to use this and the boys like to use this one. So every month I purchase this. I got another mint scent dish soap, limited edition. All made with essential oils, plant-based. I thought I would try the Rosewater Driftwood dish soap, the Caldrea. Again, I haven't tried it in a while, so ordered that. Some more walnut scouring pads. And some more natural cellulose sponges. Lemongrass verbena room spray. I think I received this free with my purchase. So it says twist off top and dispense into 8-ounce Grove glass room spray bottle. Fill bottle with water, replace nozzle and shake gently. Spritz anywhere around your home and enjoy the delightful aroma. So yeah, I think I got this free. I'm pretty sure. I don't know, maybe not. But it comes with this bottle. And you just, let's see, what did it say? Dispense all this in and then fill the bottle with water. So you put all this in and then fill this with water and you just spritz it all around. So we'll see, let's smell what this smells like. Very lemony. Oh yeah. Try that. Okay. And this month I got a candle. This is the Basil Blue Sage. So I would try that. I've heard great things about these candles. So I wanted to try one. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it smells already. Oh yeah. Smells good. This thing, it's a ceramic incense stick holder. And that you use it with these. So I was wondering, I guess I ordered one for my table. So you take one of these and let's see, let's open one up. of these, and you stick it right like that. There. And you just put it on your table like that. That's all I ordered for this month through the Grove Collaborative. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell notification, hit that subscribe button. Check out my social media on Karina Michelle on Instagram. Thank you and have a good day.